eyes, ears, nose, tongue, skin. ఇప్పుడు నేను ఈ బాడీని షేక్ చేసి వినిపిస్తాను మీకు ఒక సౌండ్. అది ఏ సౌండ్ మీరు నాకు చెప్పాలి. ఓకే, వాట్ ఈస్ దిస్ సౌండ్?
Keep quiet. Ma'am will make a sound and you identify the sound. Okay?
Okay na?
All of you show your thumbs. Show your thumbs. If you are in silence, then only you can identify the noise or sound. Okay? Are you ready to play the game? Yes. Very good. No folding. Just wrap it like that. Just wrap it. Keep that bottle inside.
What is this sound?
Keep the bottle on the table. Keep the vessel on the table. Just say the word enough. No singing. Wow, Tejo, wonderful. Good job. Now you need to listen voice. Listening that voice, identify who is that. All of you keep quiet. Start, ma'am. Somebody is over the phone. Somebody is over the call. Identify and identify the voice.
ఇప్పుడు ఒక వాయిస్ వస్తది. ఇలాగే ఎవరి వాయిస్ తో మీరు రికగ్నైజ్ చేసి చెప్పాలి నాకు. ఓకే ఓకే. ఎవరి వాయిస్?
Play again, ma'am. Play again.
Buenos días, medio. ¿Cómo estás?
Who is that? Whose voice is that?
Wow,
okay, next. Now whose voice is that? Identify. Good job. Next.
Kavya. Love you, Kavya. Listen to your teacher carefully. Always keep smiling.
Who is that, Kavya? Whose voice is that?
Mommy.
Very good.
Love you.
Give Kavya claps. Now listen carefully.
Teacher చెప్పేది జాగ్రత్తగా వినమ్మా.
ఎవరు?
Play the other one also, ma'am.
ఎవరు వాయిస్? గట్టిగా చెప్పు.
Sindhu amma. Good job. Next voice.
What's your action?